So here it is.
Welcome back, viewers. This time reviewing Karl's Lada. So, Karl, what year, what model?
It's 73 year and 2103 model.
So is this considered like a premium model or is this like a low-end model?
I think it was a premium model back then.
Okay.
Soviet. But in the other world, it's like nothing really.
Okay. And how is it distinguished from other models? Like what's different?
This one has lots of chrome parts, the chrome grille and some side trims. These vents over here are chrome.
Okay.
And on the sides as well.
These look pretty nice. Yeah, pretty nice. Okay.
There's some more chrome around the window as well.
Yeah, that's awesome. And what engine? What gearbox?
It has 1500cc engine, massive 57 kilowatts.
So it's a 4-cylinder, right?
Yeah, 4-cylinder.
Mm-hmm.
And 4-speed gearbox.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah, it has like, I don't know, 52,000 miles on it. Kilometers.
Kilometers.
I'm not sure is that correct or not. Might be, might not be as well.
Let's say it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
We hope it is correct.
But can we check under the hood?
Yeah, why not? Oops.
Oh no, Karl.
Something's missing.
What has happened here? Why is the engine missing, Karl?
Because it's not working.
And why is it not working? What happened to it?
Camshaft pin broke. So the timing was off and valves kissed pistons and so on.
So did you have a catastrophic engine failure or almost catastrophic?
I think it was almost actually because
the cylinders are actually okay. So
yeah, the cylinders are okay and actually the pistons are okay as well because the valves doesn't really touch the pistons over there. They're just a little bit.
So it's actually repairable?
Yeah, it's all repairable.
Okay.
And quite cheap as well.
Okay, nice.
So yeah, that will be probably the next episode, putting back the engine.
Okay, awesome.
Putting it all together.
Awesome. So
probably before I put the engine back, I'm gonna paint the engine room as well.
yeah, it needs a little bit of cleaning.
Yeah, there's a bit rust there as well.
Yeah, but it's okay. You know, it's an old car, but you can probably fix it up to its former glory. So, Karl, what's actually going on with those wheels? Those look really good on this car.
Yeah, they with white walls. These are actually not white wall tires. I just have these flaps over there.
Ah, you're sneaky. Nice, you're sneaky.
Much cheaper. This is only. It was 35 euros.
Okay, so it's like a do-it-yourself home version.
You can paint it as well, but this one I think looks better.
Yeah, it does actually. It looks really clean. Yeah.
And you can fit it to any tire, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah, it looks really clean.
You can find those in eBay.
Yeah.
I think they're called white wall flaps.
So I'm seeing this really nice leather interior. So what's up with this? So it's like extra, or does it come like a standard with these cars?
It's standard fake leather.
Standard fake leather. So
yeah.
Soviet Union standard fake leather.
Yes. They come in all type of colors and so on. You can get black and green and beige and everything.
Nice.
Just name it.
Damn,
So
those vents look really clean here. Woo! Nice. Yeah, this looks really good.
As you can see, no seat belts for the back seat.
So whoever rides in the back dies like real men.
Yeah, or woman. Or
yeah.
Kids.
And actually no headrests as well. So, but it's typical for this age cars. So.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's take a look from the back as well, so we can get the whole picture.
That's the engine over here at the moment.
Yeah. Right now it's only 2-man power car. So.
Yes. What else I'm gonna do? Probably I have a little plan to make it air ride.
Oh, air ride. Okay. Yeah. So you're gonna take it to some competitions, or what's the plan with it, or just go low and slow?
Yeah, low and slow probably.
Okay, and how many cars actually here in Estonia are air ride, or is it like a typical thing to do, or?
I think there are quite many, but they're mostly, I think, German cars like
German cars, yeah.
Audi and
Yeah.
Volkswagens.
But like these kinds of model, you'll be.
I only know one,
Okay.
but yeah, I don't know is it still existing or not.
Okay, okay. Cool. Yeah, but it looks really nice. So
Yeah,
you have a project on your hands, let's say.
yeah, need some things to do.
Yeah, need some work.
Yeah, some work, definitely.
Okay, awesome. So probably you guys will see it in the upcoming videos, and Carl will work on it. Probably will put together the engine, so it will be a nice video for learning experience and working on Soviet engines.
Yeah, this is the first time for me as well.
Let's see how it goes. I think the first startup video will be enjoyable for everyone.
Yeah.
And see if you have oil pressure and nothing, no bearings will spin around. Awesome. So we will leave Carl working on it, and let's cut to the next clip.
Yeah. So Martin, that must be yours.
Yes, Carl, you are absolutely right.
I think I've seen it.
This is my daily driver, Volkswagen Arteon. It's year 2018 with a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, which from the factory at least produces 206 kilowatts. So that should be around like 280 or 270 horsepower. And actually, fun fact, Carl, these are the same engines that are put on, for example, Golf 7 Rs. So, and Volkswagen were so lazy that they didn't even detune it. So I have heard that these engines actually produce 220 kilowatts, but just for the factory numbers, Volkswagen says it produces 206. So, fun fact. Actually, when you buy this car, you get more for your money.
Good value.
And it has really nice LED headlamps, so driving at night, you're actually driving like on the daytime, so it does a really, really good job on illuminating all the road. And it has all the fancy driver options, so adaptive cruise control, lane assist, road sign detection, and all the nice options that a new car should have.
Yeah, I think it's easier to say what it doesn't have.
What it doesn't have, yeah, only from the factory it's missing 360 camera, so the camera system that you can look all around the car. It has a reversing camera, but not the 360 option. Mm-hmm. And I think also the panoramic sunroof is missing. But yeah, all other options should be here.
Pretty much full spec.
Yeah, pretty much full spec. And I really, really enjoy driving it. It's a reliable daily driver. So, but I guess let's take a look under the hood. Yeah, like on most newer cars, you cannot really see anything, and due to our weather conditions right now, it's a little bit dirty as well. But yeah, 2.0 liter turbocharged petrol engine, and nothing really else here. Everything else is stock as it came from factory, so no modifications done to it. But I think the usual modifications is changing out the air filter to something
less restrictive.
Less restrictive, exactly, and changing the turbo downpipe. So these are actually really tunable engines. So with those simple modifications, you can really easily pump it up to over 400 horsepower. So I think we can take a quick look around the car and see what else is here. So here, actually, these are the 19-inch standard Arteon rims that came from the factory. And right now, I think it's on Continental winter tires. So pretty good all-weather tires, and I really like driving around with those. Also, one modification that I have done to this car is I actually added this black vinyl to the roof because I think it makes the car stand out a little bit from the gray mess or the yellow mess, as we can say on this car. So actually, I think the car, the color officially is yellow. So, but I will call it like golden or something like that. I don't know.
Looks golden.
It looks golden, yeah. From the factory, it has those nice dynamic turn signals. So it's a really nice feature of the Arteon, and I think it was the first model from VW that had those taillights. So they tested it out on this model. But now I think the 2020 models all come with it. So like Passat, I think Touareg, and even Golfs as well. So yeah. Power back lead, of course, for easy access. I have all kinds of stuff laying around here. Don't notice that. Close it up. And yeah, let's have a look inside as well. So in the inside, it's fitted with active info display. So I think it came out in the 2015 Passat, but this one has this as well. In my opinion, it's a pretty great option. So you can see all your car stats here. We can see media player, we can see phone options, how the car is doing, and of course navigation. And if we want to make it bigger, just press the OK button and it makes the screen bigger here. So really easy to navigate. Some light switches. Nice changeable interior lighting. So actually give a quick demonstration. We can change the color on the fly. Turn it up. So maybe I'm feeling like the blue color today, or even yellow. Why not? Power memory seats. So actually you can tie those in with your remote key. So for example, if your friend drives with another key, as soon as he or she enters the car, it automatically configures the seat, mirrors and everything according to the key.
Does it record like your favorite radio channels and everything on the key as well?
Yeah, everything. So your favorite radio channels, your call combination, your sound settings, everything. So whenever you enter the car, everything changes.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And those frameless.
So yeah, these cars have those frameless windows, but in Estonian weather they are okay. But as soon as temperatures go below 0 centigrade, you really have to keep your rubber seals maintained, because it can happen that they will get stuck.
And then you can't get into the car.
And then you can't get into the car, exactly. And same thing on the backside, so frameless windows as well. And actually the rear passengers have, let's say, reasonable leg space. So if I step in here real quickly, yeah, so I can feel pretty okay here. And I'm not a small guy.
Sport seats.
Yeah, leather sport seats. So when you're cornering hard, when you on those 50 km/h speeds, they keep you nicely tucked in, and so you will not roll away on your couch sheets anywhere.
Okay, awesome.
Awesome. So probably in the future videos we will see some driving around, maybe some detailing, maybe some cleaning for these cars. So for this one, I don't think I have any modifications planned right now, but let's see.
But you have other wheels for summer, I think.
Yeah, actually, we can cut in a real fast picture for the summer wheels as well.
Yeah, they look good.
Yeah, and they look pretty good under this car, but as all my friends say that I need to lower it, because this arch cap, not good. Need to bring it lower.
Maybe after warranty.
Yeah, maybe after warranty, but yeah, I really need to bring this car a little bit lower to the ground, so it will look even better. But yeah, I think that's it for this review, and see you guys next time.